So in this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of how to use mind mapping apps to help you break through a creative block using idea linking and wordplay. I'm in Mindomo, and I'm going to just kind of show you. They have lots of templates that you can scroll through depending on what you're looking for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new map. I'm going to set up a creative push template, and we're going to go in here. You're basically creating topics that are branching out from your main subject. It kind of shows you how quickly you can set up these topics, and then you can branch off from each one in multiple ways. This allows you to copy, paste, replace. You can see here there's notes, attachments, relationships. Notes, you can actually place a note in case you wanted to put some specific details for each area. You also have attachments, which you can add actual pictures, PDFs, anything like that you want to add to your mind map. And that scrolls to wherever you have it, either on your computer or your iPad. You can also choose the relationship of each item. Then you have icons. You can choose different icons if you want to place them in front of your main subject, which I don't particularly use that, but let's say it's a graph like that. That would let you know that you had that graph as a picture. You can use hyperlinks, which is really cool. So you could link to your website or to something else online, a YouTube channel. In this case, I could use Learn and Create, which is my creative website that I'm working from. That makes it a hyperlink, so you can click on there and it'll take you to that. You can do task info, set the priority, set a start date, set an end date, the importance of that task, which is really cool because then you can link it to your calendar. You can also show closed tabs, and this will link to your Apple Calendar, which is kind of cool. So you can set deadlines for yourself that these things, especially if it's a project that you want to get done at a certain time. It also allows you to add images in other areas. You can bring those from your camera or from other places there. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can change the style. You can change the text, the lines, the map. In style, we have layout, fill layer. I'm going to show you the layout. It won't really change it just yet because I'm not done setting up enough for it to do it. But once you get a lot of things set up, it will allow you to change the area. You can change the fill color of the box. As you can see there, I filled that with blue, yellow. You can change the shapes, square, circle, arrows. It really allows you to do a lot of different things depending on how much you want to customize your mind mapping. You can change the border color. You can also go back and change the thickness of the border or the border width by just changing the numbers there, clicking those along the bottom. Gives you some room to breathe. In the text, very similar. You can change alignment, font, color, font size. You've got access to all your fonts. You can underline, bold, score, change the variables. You have line, which is the line that leads from the mode, so you can change the colors there if you want to. You can also change your background color. You can actually switch themes if you don't like the theme that you've chosen. And the cool thing is you can also save these as PDFs or export them. And so I'm going to show you some of the ones that I've created. Here's an example of one that I did for my marketing last year. Each business that I have, I can go in and I can change anything at any given time. I can move things around. I can also change the layout. If I wanted to change this layout, it literally takes all the information and changes it into a brand new layout. If you've never used a mind mapping tool, this can be really fun, and it can also help you get yourself together as far as organization. Might help you brainstorm ideas. So I hope that helped. And that's mind mapping.